转孤山泪，万里无云心陶醉，念谁无所谓。早已望穿孤山，苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已散薄。路易掌管万里平，他人念经当诵佛。心如明镜，淡如水，早已望穿孤山泪，万里无云心陶醉，念谁无所谓。心头小路满塘花，三尽微分虫鸣抓。因何而真早遗忘，终有新纷散谁家？无需波涛再起伏，愿有海鸟念天涯。苍狗白云皆荒唐，涕泪横流皆为霜。苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已散薄。路易长关万里平，他人念经当诵佛。心如明镜，淡如水，早已望穿孤山泪，万里无云心陶醉，念谁无所谓。三尽微分虫鸣抓，因何而真早遗忘，终有新纷散谁家？无需波涛再起伏，愿有海鸟念天涯。苍狗白云皆荒唐，涕泪横流皆为霜。苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已散落。路易长关万里平，他人念经当诵佛。心如明镜，淡如水，早已望穿孤山泪，万里无云心陶醉，谁无所谓。 色不过一时过，镜中容颜已散薄。路易长关万里平，他人面镜当松佛。心如明镜淡如水，早已望穿孤山泪。万里无云心陶醉，念谁无所谓。心头小路满塘花，散尽微粉虫鸣爪。因何而真早遗忘，终有新粉散谁家？无需波涛再起伏，愿有海鸟念天涯。苍狗白云皆荒唐，涕泪横流皆为霜。苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已散薄。路易长关万里平，他人面镜当松佛。心如明镜淡如水，早已望穿孤山泪。万里无云心陶醉，念谁无所谓。散尽微粉虫鸣爪，因何而真早遗忘，终有新粉散谁家？无需波涛再起伏，愿有海鸟念天涯。苍狗白云皆荒唐，涕泪横流皆为霜。苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已残破。路易长关万里平，他人面镜当松佛。心如明镜淡如水，早已望穿孤山泪。万里无云心陶醉，谁无所谓。苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已散薄。路易长关万里平，他人面镜当松佛。心如明镜淡如水，早已 因何而真早遗忘？终要新粉散谁家？无需波涛再起伏，愿有海鸟念天涯。
Hello, can you hear my voice? Can you hear me? Hello. Having passive income to earn is homely. Hi everyone, welcome to my live. This is MG from Homely Cha. Today is Thursday, October the 8th. So also come to almost end of this week now. In from today's view, okay, kind of market is still kind of full in big volatile here, right? So I share you this topic, Dow Jones industry kind of for reverse up again after yesterday's stop. And for the current market, also for US market also, the most important thing is to do the risk management now. Okay, it's very important. Okay, of course, if you have any thing you want to learn, want to check, also can leave me comments. And for those investors who's been watching my live at first time, okay, here's a brief introduction. Every trading day at around 1:10 to 2 p.m. trading day. Actually, I will share this live. Today is in YouTube platform because my Facebook live is cannot connect successfully. I still don't know why. So I connect my YouTube here now. If you want to receive all the details, of course, you can add my WhatsApp, then I will send you the details before the live starts. And here's the way how to analyze your shares. Dialysis your share can just WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011 16527962. Okay, can WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011 16527962 so that I can give you the details. If you only give me a share, I will also just give you a picture or very general things. Okay, so sometimes a lot of full messages. So sometimes I ignore the shares if you just put one without the details. Thank you very much. Okay, before this class, before today's sharing, this is disclaimer. This video is purely for study and discussion, not for call buy and sell. Homely never recommend any shares. Never offer the call buy and sell. Trade with your own risk, which is very important. At the same time, I opened another program. Will diagnosis one day, one share, one counter, one day. If you're already in my broadcast list, so you must have received 2 sessions. Okay, I sent to you right in the WhatsApp group, broadcast group. Of course, if you want to receive, you can just WhatsApp add me. And few of the investor, okay, say the other day say that okay, the shares drop or something, blah blah blah. What I want to say is that the counter I choose to diagnosis in my micro video is just want to diagnosis for you, okay? Because most people ask, they want to know the whole view of this share and how potential in the future and how should we do in the current market. So it's purely for study and discussion. No call buy and call sell, okay? This is number one important. This is the most important thing. Please remember, if you just have the mindset, want to find out some tipsy or some call buy in my video, I think you will disappoint you. And here is not a right channel for you, okay? So yesterday I have been sharing, okay, this one. I have been sharing two shares actually, okay? So you can also check my video, yesterday is a pronexus, okay? I know it's already in uptrend for a while. So basically I'm not record this video trying to tell you okay, tomorrow you can buy now. I'm not on that purpose. So it's very surprised me when the people send me message said, okay, MG today it dropped. Okay, I say, yes, it dropped. Then why? Then how? Okay, if you really want to follow their method, how to buy and sell, I already put the details in my video. If you are the investor, you want to learn more, improve your analysis skill, the video may be helpful for you. But if only wait for the buy and sell, I don't think it's suitable for you. Okay, so at some time later on, we can also take a look at that one because also have investors want to check this share. Okay, later on we'll check for you, no problem. So now let's get back to today's market. So about the Malaysia, about the US one. US one yesterday have some news, right? Have some news. The Trump. Okay, I can show you the news here. And not this one. The softer one. Excuse me. Because of this one, the stocks rise as Trump appears to soften stance on stimulus. Okay, attempt this one. So one day different. So some people, some investor just kidding say that it's kind of the market seems pushing up and pushing down by uh, by Trump's Twitter. So it's really interesting. Okay, but we know it really influence, right? In short term, we know that the news will influence for short term, but actually, this year, compared to before, actually Trump's Twitter, Trump's attitude is really influenced after we check in the history. So now we can take a look at the Dow Jones, okay? Whether it's a really reversal. Yesterday we also analyzed the Dow Jones. Dow Jones yesterday, we've been talking about this one. We've been talking about this, the previous high. Okay, the previous high. If the price can break up this previous high, is really close to the reversal high point. You can only need to take a look at this previous high. Okay, and later on the price can break up this one, then is finally pushing up. Okay, finally finish the correction. So far yesterday is already up to this point, but of course it cannot say already break out successfully. Okay, short-term traders still have chance. Okay, but for medium long term, one day still cannot say it successfully break out successfully. Before we also shared a lead another 2 days to confirm, and also lead maybe 3% to double confirm, right? So at this time, if you are not sure whether you're not confirm whether it can break out or not, so we need to use other analysis tool to verify. Okay, Homely also more focus on their technical, so you can combine together. So the first thing, the profitable effect compared to yesterday slightly up, but still 13%. 13% is very similar to the before. Okay, before I mean this way, it's just around 10 cents. The profitable effect. Profitable effect, it means the whole market, how many percent of the people make money in the market, right? So, and then we take the LSF or slightly up. Okay, slightly up is the normal one. At this time, why just I mentioned the risk management? Because we know that if yesterday you sell, but sorry, if Tuesday you sell, but yesterday then you jump up again, right? So you'd say one day drop one day up, and then another drop another one day up. Okay, it's very volatile. If you don't have your principle, it's really challenging in the market. You can just take a rest if you cannot see it clearly. So I mean that before the market really back to the healthy trend, first thing you must need to break up the previous high. The finally healthy trend is break up this big previous high, right? Then you will back to the normal uptrend again. But before it back to the normal uptrend again, you should be careful, should be alert, because we have this election ahead. So all the things, even the stimulus package also being halted. Even Trump have another soften policies, but it's also just a very small one. Okay, I've been screenshot the picture. So after only hours after that, he halt this stimulus package. He said that is continue. He sent a Twitter saying that he was ready to sign right now a standalone bill for $1,200 stimulus checks. He also urged the House and the Senate to approve aid for airline payroll support and paycheck protection for small business. Right? So things always happened. Maybe the whole market yesterday already, Wednesday already digest, but yesterday come again, right? Yesterday have another hope for some airline payroll support and some other small business. Okay, so you see, it's really I would say the big one still cannot confirm because it's really connected to the elections. Okay, but the small one, he still gives some hope to the market. Okay, then market bounce back. So still have a lot of uncertainty. Uncertainty means a risk in the market. So if you want to trade master doing well on this risk management, otherwise you just take a rest. For the new babies, for the newbies, you need to remember, don't always chasing high. Okay, don't always chasing high. New starters always get stuck by chasing high, and then the experienced investors always stuck at the bottom gate, right? So this is one we also shared before. So this is a kind of for mindset things. You need to have a good mindset. Otherwise, all the things means nothing for you. So the mindset, if you're doing well the risk management, then your mindset will become good, especially for some new investors. And what is the good standard for this risk management? If you trade the US market, okay, so you can hedge your risk with mutual fund, right? You can use the mutual fund, you can invest the ETF, you can also invest dollars and the goals. The goals you can build your asset portfolio, which is very important in this volatile market, right? Then when the whole market risk, when the whole market drop, okay, for example, if the market drop, your whole set portfolio will be drop less than the whole market, right? Otherwise, it's still not a good portfolio for you. So you need to manage, okay? And another thing, the standard of this risk management is that you need to better better just don't lose money. Okay, don't lose money. Sleep it, no problem. That is profitable things. That is probability things. Okay, slightly no problem, but try your best to uh, don't lose. Try your best to cut loss in time, means that you never lose in the market, you never get trapped in the market, and then make some money that you know why. Okay, means that is play within your limit. Don't gamble, don't follow others. If you don't know where about this company, you don't know anything about the pattern things, you don't have one tactics you're good at, you cannot make the money that is so if you cannot make that one, you just make money by luck. It's kind of a gamble. Okay, that one may be workable in bullish market, but in bearish market is very dangerous. That's what I call the risk management. So I can share you their their mindset. From an investor. Okay, from an investor. Okay, from investor. Of course, this is a member. Of course, he's a kind of uh a little bit aggressive one, but I just say that you can trade, but the one thing is that you need to control your portion. Okay, control your portion. So haven't time to translate, but I can translate you here. So he sent me a picture. He say okay, one word if you can read Mandarin, but no problem, I can translate for you. Say chasing high. Okay, you can keep chasing high. This is a very strong share. Okay, no problem. And then after few times, okay, this is this morning 10:16. Later on at the 10:15, he say it's a little bit the fallback is a little bit strong. So means that are gonna be lose money if it keeps dropping. So you know that he still make money, okay, he still make money. And later on, at that time he have another thought, add more portion, add more portion. and and then he just have a joking, you give a call to the bank, let the market maker uh let the market maker stop shaking out, stop washing, stop correction. And he said that it's kind of the price kind of drop once he buy. So these things happen always. So I just reply him, okay, reply him one word, one sentence. I say that the banker chief seems unemployed. Okay, it's just a joking, but you know, this is also kind of a mindset in the current market, especially for those new babies, new starters. So be careful, don't be getting trapped in the similar one. Okay, so the wise investor, okay, I can share with you the mindset of the wise investor. Okay, I just now I share 2 points already. First thing, we'll never get trapped. Okay, we'll never get trapped, and really hardly to lose in the market. Okay, and then the second thing is that he will make the money. He know why. Okay, he make the money. He know why. And then the third thing is that he know how to avoid the risk. Okay, you can understand it as cut loss or something like that, right? And mm, also he know how much he will win. Okay, for example, if you are really mid short term, we can just use this case. Okay, we can use this case. Yesterday I shared this share. Okay, I shared this one, and I also analyzed all the resistance for you for short term, long term, medium term. Okay, and I also said if from longer term this share, their high price, the previous high price is around 2 ringgit. Okay, now the price is high price is 1653, have almost 40 cents. Okay, 40 cents, you know, that is profit space for medium long term. Okay, but for short term it's different. Okay, for sure. So this is the one, you know how much you will win. Of course, if the market is very weak, of course it will also not go to that space, go to that target, right? So also need to listen to the market, but the maximum, you know how much you will win. Okay, you know what you will get from the market. So that is kind of a wise investor. So you see, you need to combine with your own personality. You know yourself well, and then you analyze the market well, and later on the buy and sell is very easy thing. Okay, and talk too much. Okay, now we back to the KOCI. Okay, we back to the KOCI. KOCI is still in volatile. Sorry, still in volatile. Where is my chart? Okay, we can take a look. Still in this triangle pattern. Okay, still in this triangle pattern. We can draw this down short-term line. Okay, before we have already joined. We have already joined. So you see, it's still in this one. Okay, still in this one. And of course, we can also draw another line. We can also draw another line. It's a longer term. Okay, it's a longer term. So you can see you also have resistance for the current market, right? If I change a color. The pink line is for medium term. Okay, medium term price trying to break up but failed, and but also have for long side the buyer's energy protect the market. So that's why this triangle pattern formed. Okay, at the same time, we know that we can take a look at this KLCI. Yeah, this is the one. KLCI. Okay, KLCI also in this sideway, right? In this sideway. So we need to wait until you can choose a correction. But so far also there's no profitable effect. Still the short side takes advantage of the market, even it's a sideway. Okay. So far no obvious direction. Okay, direction. Today rebound back a little bit. Okay. Then about the Dow Jones, I have another thing want to share with you. The VIX. VIX is talk about this risk management, the risk, their panic mindset of their market, of their investors, of the especially the individual. So you see the Dow Jones already a strong bounce back yesterday, almost reached this previous high, but actually this VIXI didn't break new high. Okay, didn't break new high. It's kind of this sideway. Okay, kind of this sideway. So from this pattern is still in triangle, means that their whole market panic mindset is still strong. Okay, still strong. So need to be careful. Okay, if it didn't hit new high, this Dow Jones still cannot back to the normal one. Still have a way to run. Okay, so this is a space. Okay, so now it's time to dialysis your share. And okay, one more time, so you can just WhatsApp me your share code number, entry price, and the trading cycle to 011-1652796. Then I gonna check for you. And the same time, I will check for you who just sent me before the live starts. Okay. And the first one from KS Cho, 7006, 7006. So this is a kind of a term if a shares in short, he's trading short term. So we take a look at the data first. Okay, the data. Excuse me. The data, okay, if we call out, we check the trend. After we call out the homely rainbow, you can see it just have resistance by the homely rainbow white line. White line is the boundary between the bullish and the bearish one. So if you really want to trade below the white line, can only use short term or medium short term before we have shared already. Today have very strong rebound, okay, strong push up. But the bank chips around 52% yet in daily chart. So far, today have another half day. Haven't finished yet. If it can no more standing above the white line, then it's better one. Okay. But so far, if we go to the hourly chart, okay, we check look at this banker chips to verify. Banker chips is the funds who can push up the price. And the hourly chart also becomes smaller. Okay, becomes smaller. The red bar means the short-term uptrend is different from the ordinary candlestick. Okay, don't mix it up. And the buy already become weak means it's losing momentum. Is losing momentum in uptrend. So you need to be careful. At the same time, banker chips also keep decreasing. So short-term need to be careful. If this afternoon it turns to green color, you should take your profit. Okay. And if you're intraday, you go to the intraday already. Sell point have sell point at 1050. Okay, this one is 1050. The price is around 265. Okay, 265. Later on, the price haven't back to this yellow color. Okay, this is for intraday. Be careful. Okay, be careful. And then Sue want to check 6068 Warren 8. Okay, Warren 8. And you also do short term. Okay, also do short term 25 cents. And this is also kind of share. But actually here have some resistance. We can take a look. Resistance is 315, the previous high. Okay, previous high. But here also got some resistance. Okay, got some resistance. Better can break out. Okay, but before that you do short term, no problem. So we come back to this hourly chart. Hourly chart, you also losing momentum in uptrend, okay? But so far you haven't turned to green, means that it's still in the tolerate correction area. But if this afternoon it turns to green, even you don't make money, you also need to cut loss, okay? Because you also have some resistance in previous resistance. And but if it didn't, then should be no problem. Your enterprise is 2.5, 2.5, not so low. Actually, the last buy point should be here. The price here is around 10 cents. Okay, 10 cents till now already, 100%. Okay, already one time. Okay, so be careful. Later on, you see this afternoon, it can turn to green or not. But so far, the banker chips in daily chart is around 69%. It's kind of this share just pushing up. Okay. Any news about this share? You can tell me. Okay, you are expect on this fundamental one. I purely for on this technical. Okay, technical. For reference, today have 90 cents. But I think intraday players have good profit. Intraday players already sold at the 10 o'clock already at the 249 or 25. Okay, so this is the one. Next one, ice hot 7095. Short term 235. So this is also a share. We check a look about the long term uptrend share. The whole trend a big problem, but also recently rise up after correction. In banker chips here recently 27%, 27%, and the retailers still have 13%, haven't finished yet. So still have a lot of pressure. Yellow chips around 60%, so short term no problem. Your enterprise is 25 cents. Oh, no, sorry, 157 cents. So little bit slow up at the day. So we go to hourly chart. If you do the short term, go to this hourly chart. We use the trend expert. Actually, is also losing momentum and is worse than the previous two shares because there is no bankers in the hourly chart. So you see, even have a good chance, but slightly profit, 2.63% only. Okay, so this is the one you need to be careful. And if this afternoon it turns green, can also take your profit. Okay, can also consider to take your profit. Basically, this share now the banker chips in daily chart only 27%, only for short term. So you follow hourly chart or have sell point, you just sell. It's also the thing I said, the risk management is not how much you can learn. Okay, you already almost know your profit space. Don't expect much because market still in volatile. You see the whole KLCI in this volatile, in this triangle one. Even the strong sector, which one? So maybe I show you the healthcare is still in correction, right? And the technology, we can take a look. There's no big strong one, right? So you see the technology sector is also haven't break up the previous high, okay? Even banker chips 52%, but it also in this correction area. And then we check about their healthcare. Healthcare also weaker than their technology, right? Still cannot break out. Then you cannot easily to average down your glove shares, your healthcare counters, right? Be careful because if you didn't break out, maybe have a stronger space to digest, right? I'm not saying you will 100% happen, but it possibly happen because have resistance here. Banker chips also didn't follow. Now the banker chips only 47%, less than 50% in this healthcare counter, this sector. Okay, be careful. And you can have your wishful thinking. You can back to the place your entry, but be careful. Okay, I can show you another thoughts, okay, of another investor. So this investor said, okay, you haven't lose it. I am always average down when the price going drop, okay, and keep average down when the price drop. And then it seems seen the bottom, but after I sell, after I give up average down, and then so the price is kind of oh, okay, sorry, it means that as long as I buy much and then the whole market just drop, okay, big drop, okay, big sell off. So till now, still on the way to covering my cost, my loss. Okay, so this is the one investor is kind of not so well on his risk management. Average down is very aggressive trading method. It's not method, it's trading action made by the investors. If you don't have experience, if you don't have a proof method already help you make money in the market, don't average down. It's really aggressive one. Okay, it's really aggressive one. So, but most of the people, most of the investors always doing average down when the price drop. But you know how risk it is, especially in the current market. Okay, we always need to take a look at the whole environment, whole index, US one, KLCI one, the sector one. Okay, cannot do like that. Okay, but the right one I can also show you. Okay, the right institution. Okay, I didn't put it here. I sent to what is the right one I can share with you. It means that a little bit longer here. Okay, so I think next time I will share you. Now we keep going diagnosis you share. Okay, so let's go on. Charlie. Okay, 7170. Sorry, 0170 Kanga. Okay, this year we also analyzed before. Last time, I think in this top area, it have resistance by this previous high and then drop. Yesterday have a good rise, okay, have a good rise, but actually we can see the bank chips is still only 23%. And your enterprise 26 cents, 26 cents, a little bit higher. Short term. Okay, we just go to hourly chart, no problem. Short term, the good thing is that hourly chart, the trend expert already standing above the major line, and it turns to green color already this morning. If you still haven't sold it, you can consider to cut loss. I know that if your enterprise 26 cents is really high, it is really high and lose a lot. But how to say, their only hope is that, okay, it turns green, but later on it turns to red above the major line. You still have your possibility. So you can set this purple line as your strategy, as your stop loss. Sorry, as a stop loss. The price is around 178. 178. Okay, now it's 19. Okay, 19. So if I were you, I will set this stop loss. Later on, if it break down, I will also sell. Okay, I also sell because it's really aggressive. Okay, and the other members might set half of this positive candle before I also shared. Here the price is 17. Okay, 17. Also check if the correction can stand above half price, still also have a chance. But we know that it's just a bounce back. Okay, the whole trend still haven't becomes better, haven't becomes good. So you can only do small one, and the later on, if it really cannot go in up and you cut loss and then switch strong shares, or the one you use small portion. Now no strong shares, no big strong shares. If you can find a good one, no problem. But also suggest you use less than 50% shares to analyze. Okay. And okay, another one. Excuse me. I'm finding the one. Okay. So this is, sorry. Okay, this one we shared yesterday, right? Today have correction. So yesterday in my video, I also shared a short term, you need to wait, right? You need to wait in this hourly chart. Okay, we go to hourly chart. Yesterday, I just shared. Yesterday, you cannot just chase high, just buy directly. I share the method how to trade CI is at least you wait it turn to green and then green turn to red. So basically today totally no buy point. If I have a sell point, if before you have it, you should sell. This morning 12 o'clock, you should sell, okay? Even the point I say can do chasing high, not means you can chasing high anytime. Follow the rhythm. You can also find the regularity before you can see. Before always have two days correction after a big positive push up. Okay, so this is a very simple regularity. Okay, I'm not saying 100% we're going like this one, but the point is that you need to listen to the market. Today is no buy point. Why you buy? And also another disclaimer again, I'm sharing the counter analysis not for call buy and call sell, only sharing because a lot of people ask, okay, want to diagnosis share. You cannot find the tipsy in my live, okay, in my video. Okay, next one. Just one already. Just now already analyzed, right? 0054. This one already analyzed. Okay, already analyzed. Okay, and good day, Palm. Oh, Palm also have this one, but your entry price is 1.6. I don't know when you enter, but short term, I just already shared with you. Short term, okay, shared with you. So which level is your cut loss level, or which level is a trading level? You also need to ask yourself, is your comfortable zone, okay? So how to do this risk management also depends on you, depends on your management, your trading cycle. So if you just follow this one, you follow when the green bar turns to red bar, you buy, and the red bar turns to green bar, you sell, no problem. But today you need to sell. The price here is around 1.6. Okay, you should sell already. Before if you bought already at a 1.6, but here have sell point already. Okay, slightly loose. But if you buy here the price is 1.3%. Okay, 1.3 ringgit, but your entry price is 1.6. So I guess you doing the chasing high. Okay, in the wrong method, you should enter here. Even the price go to here, you need to wait. When it turns to green and green turn to red, you can just check here back in my video. Okay, I'm saying like that. Not means chasing high just fly in without checking any chart. Okay, so I still remind again, if you have a mindset want to check the tipsy or the call buy, call sell in my video, you will disappointed you. Okay, I'm recorded video want to do more analysis, to share you more analysis skills with you. Okay, and then so that we can lay out with a good strategy, and you know what are doing. Even you lose money, but you know how you lose, then you will avoid that next time. And the next one, 7114 from Lamb, 7114. Short term to medium term. A whole trend or no problem, but haven't finished correction. Okay, haven't finished correction, can just wait it break out to do medium short term. Otherwise, the profit space is very small. Okay, very small. So we can also go to hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart is also green color, have sell point this morning 11 o'clock. Okay, have sell point in mini chart when the red bar turns to green bar. And also next one, hold on. Chendi 7204 DNO 1.07. You do short term. We go to the hourly chart first. We go to the daily chart first. Daily chart is still in sideways. Sideways correction. Banker chips a little bit down. Okay, so I think no big chance for short term. No big chance for short term until it can break out. Then we go to the hourly chart, and you can see you always sideways here. Okay, no big profit space. So you always get resistance if you can draw line here. Okay. can, if you draw line here, then you will find there is still a lot of pressure, okay, ahead. Before you break out, it's very small one, okay. Shaham Aminers. AEM Aminers. This morning 69 cents. This morning, I guess you do also do mid short term, long term no problem. Okay, long term problem. And if you use bottom catch, have bottom catch signal here. Okay, kind of breakout ready. So if you bought it, okay, if you bought it, and we can see still haven't break down. Okay, so if you set your stop loss, haven't break down. Okay, haven't break down. And yesterday we can also consider it as a fact. Today, sorry, is trying to break out, but haven't break out yet. Today haven't finished, right? If this afternoon it can cover back to this bottom catch signal, then no problem. But haven't finished yet, so cannot say. Okay, cannot say. If you follow this method to buy, better buy tomorrow. Okay, maybe you use other method. I don't know. Okay, then we go to hourly chart, or if you use Trend Expert, you can see also have sell point at 12 o'clock. Okay, have sell point at 12 o'clock. The price there is around 969. So Sham, you can, I don't know the method how you use to enter, but from the chart of the home survey seems is wrong. Okay, seems is wrong. The price, the time you need to sell, but you choose buy. Okay. We choose another two shares. Showing share 0048. Ancom. Ancom 50 cents. Medium to short term. Whole trend is still not good. Whole trend is not good. You see, still in this correction area, trying to break out, but haven't, right? Still have some space, but banker chips haven't confirmed. Banker chips only 14%, can only do short term. And then we go to hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart also green color. Today no chance. You should sell. This is sell point yesterday 5 p.m. Another sell point is today 11 o'clock. Okay, 11 o'clock. This is the time. Okay, this is the time you can check. And today have 3% drop. Okay, be careful. Be careful. And then OpenSys Jason 0040 OpenSys. Okay, short term no problem because the whole trend no big problem, right? The whole trend is uptrend. It's kind of a strong share, but actually daily chart also have resistance at 107. Okay, current price is 102, have another 5 cents. If this afternoon it can break out 107, you still have a bigger chance. But the good point is that OpenSea, the green retailers already disappeared from yesterday, means that there's no big pressure. Okay, even no big pressure compared to the one here have. So this previous high also have some highly possibilities to break out, but we also need to listen to the market to see if this this afternoon can break out or not. Okay, if you do short term, we can go to hourly chart. Hourly chart, we use the trend expert. So far have sell point. Okay, so far have a sell point. So you can follow the market strictly. Okay, you can sell first according to the chart. And later on, if this afternoon it can turn to red again, you can buy it back again. So current market, I always tell my members that you doing well, the risk management. What's the result if you're doing it well or you're doing it bad? The good result is that you still have a good mindset. You can wait for next time. You can come around. But if you didn't do it well, you might lose all your money and you don't have confidence in the market anymore and you don't have a good mindset. Mindset is very important. Okay, so it also equals to the risk management is very important in the current market. And the next one, Ken EN JCY. JCY is also kind of strong share in correction. and you do short term, entry price is 76. Just now, right? Just now we go to hourly chart, no problem. Hourly chart a little bit sideways, right? Because the daily chart already in correction. Then the hourly chart also very short term, profit space, right? And also have sell point already. Be careful. Even increase are not much. We can calculate. For example, from here to here, 5 hours only 2.7%. Very small profitable space. Okay, 9 hours 2.8%, very small one. Okay, so how to do? Generally you can also wait their resistance. Okay, this previous high can break up successfully, yes, and of course banker chips also can follow up. Okay, so first you have resistance in the daily chart. Be careful. Okay, be careful. So this is the one I want to share for you. Okay, of course, do you have some other investors having diagnosis? You can just WhatsApp your share code number, entry price, and trading cycle to me. And later on, after the live, I will send you the picture. Okay, no problem. And also, this Sunday, we will have the Mandarin. We can have for preview class. If you also want to attend, you can also contact me. So here is the contact details I can show you. Yes, if you want to diagnosis your share after the live, if you want to attend the homely preview class, and if you want to receive update of my live or other videos in other platform, you can WhatsApp me 011-1652-7962. Okay, can WhatsApp me 011-1652-7962. And also homely have branch in KL Central, Penang, Hotel Royal, and also JB or Shanghai. You can also book their one-to-one coaching, okay, with us. Here is the booking number. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching, and any feedbacks can just leave in the comment. Your feedback is really matters to me, very important to me, and appreciate it. You can and also you can give me a like if you can benefit a little bit about the current about my videos today. Okay, so hope you stay healthy and stay profitable and stay happy. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
苍狗白云之荒唐，涕泪横流皆为霜。苦涩不过一时过，镜中容颜已残破。路已长宽。